Hello and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. Before we start our review, I would love to thank each and every one of you who have subscribed to the channel. Now I need for you to tell a friend who can then tell a friend to subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. I would love it. So on to our video. We have this particular wig that we're going to review for you today, and it is Vice Unit 4, and it is by the Sensational line. And just to give you a little background about her, she has high definition lace. On the inside of the stock card, it tells you that it has a pre-plucked hairline. It comes with the baby hairs. You do have lace that's from ear to ear. You have a 5-inch parting. So I'm excited to show you this particular wig, although it is a long wig again. So if you're interested, please stay tuned and I'll see you shortly. So here's our wig turned inside out. We do have 2 combs positioned on both sides of this particular wig. Here are the small combs, and you do have a comb position in the back and also your adjustable band. Here is the high definition lace that we talked about earlier. Here is the 5-inch parting that we mentioned earlier as well, and we have the baby hairs along the hairline here. This particular wig can hold up to 400 degrees worth of heat, so we're gonna change, put her on, and come back and we'll talk some more about Vice Unit 4. So here we are wearing Vice Unit 4, and I must say she is one of the longest wigs that I have worn on my particular channel. Okay, so I'm gonna stand up, and it literally, you cannot see it. Let's see, but it comes almost at my waist. So it is one of the longest wigs, again, that I have reviewed on my particular channel. So with that being said, I don't know if I would wear this every day. No, let me take that back. I would not wear this every day, but it is one of those wigs if you want to make a statement, if maybe you're going out on a girls' night out and you just want to make a statement, like I said, or look totally different than yourself, I say go for it. The hair feels really nice. It's that premium fiber, so that's why the hair feels really soft. Of course, with longer wigs, you may experience some tangling towards the end as you try to comb it out, but it's nothing major. This particular wig can hold up to 400 degrees worth of heat, and she does come with the baby hairs, but you all know by now, if you've been on my channel before, you know how I feel about the baby hairs. I don't do them. I just don't want everything to look so perfect and uniform, but that's just my personal opinion. Let me go ahead and flip the hair over my shoulder, and I'm gonna do a 360 so that you can see this beauty from all sides. So here we go. We're gonna take a spin for you to see it. And so there you have it. All of the information about where you can actually purchase this wig is located in the description box below. So let's go ahead and flip it back. While I'm doing that, if you would, please leave a comment, or again, subscribe to the channel, or even give me a thumbs up if you're liking the content of the video. I am wearing for you the Flamboyage Chocolate color, and this is what she looks like up close. I did not glue this particular wig down. I simply placed it on just so that I can do this review for you. I'm liking the hair. Check the description box for all of the information pertaining to this particular wig, what colors it actually comes in, and the price point as well. Thanks again for joining me for this review. I'll be back next week, Monday, don't worry, with a wig review just for you. So check back next week, same time, same place. And until next time, take care of each other and definitely yourself.